There are a lot of fake loan apps in Nigeria, and the government hasn't been able to stop them. The number of fake loan companies in Nigeria is growing every day, and the government hasn't been able to stop it. Every day, more and more fake loan apps are being made in Nigeria. The funny thing is that people keep falling for these fake loan apps. Some people call these fake apps loan sharks. Both words mean the same thing. In this article, I'll show you a list of fake loan apps in Nigeria, so be careful not to give your information to the wrong people. Let's start by looking at what a fake loan application is. What are fake loan applications? A fake loan app is a digital platform that is either an online or offline lender that gives out loans with crazy high interest rates and embarrasses you by sending defamatory and threatening messages to everyone on your contact list if you don't pay back on time. It is usually 7 days. In the beginning of this year, I got a message telling me to warn one of my contact lists. It said they would put her name and details in the newspaper and call her a fraudster if I didn't. I know some of you have also gotten them. Even though the federal government of Nigeria has tried to stop these so-called loan sharks, they keep coming back on the internet under different names. List of fake loan app in Nigeria 2023. Here is a list of the loan apps that the Nigerian government will ban in 2023. The list comes from the Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Commission, FCCPC. By FCCPC's instructions to Google Play Store, the following fake loan apps in Nigeria have been found to be dangerous and have been banned by the government. Number 1. Fast Money. Fast Money, as the name implies, is one of the worst fake loan apps in Nigeria. The app is notorious for breaching the private data of its customers and sending threatening messages to them and members of their contact list. The federal government of Nigeria had banned the operation of Fast Money, and Google had forbidden it, and the app can no longer be downloaded via the Google Play Store. But look out, because it might resurface with a different name. Number 2. Lendcash. Lendcash is another dubious fake loan app in Nigeria that Google has banned due to reports of serial violations of customers' private detail and its policy rules. Currently, the federal government is tracing them for prosecution. Not long ago, Quick Loan Arena also reported the activities of this fake loan app. Please avoid any form of a request to borrow a loan from Lendcash and report any app from the same developer, as it might just be a change of name. Number 3. Cash Mall. Cash Mall claims to be a genuine loan app in which customers can access anything from 2,000 naira to 100,000 naira with a repayment duration of 91 to 365 days. However, this is claimed to be all lies. Customers who have fallen victim to this fake loan app stated that the repayment duration is just 7 days. If you default today, your details will be exposed on their social media handles, and defamatory messages will be sent to your entire contact list. Cash Mall also lied about its maximum annual percentage rate, APR. They claim it is just 36%. However, it is higher than this. They have been banned by Google Play Store and may resurface in another name. Number 4. Borrow Now. Borrow Now is a fake loan app in Nigeria known for its excessive high interest rates and failure to comply with local laws. Borrow Now loan has been banned from the Google Play Store due to its violation of Google policies and unethical practice of sending threatening messages to its customers and their contact list. Number 5. Ncash. Ncash is the 5th on our list of fake loan apps in Nigeria. The unfortunate thing is that it is still hosted on Google Play Store when writing this article. This loan demands that customers make deposits before their loans are approved and goes extreme in deducting upfront service charges directly from their debit cards. Their interest rate is as high as 100%, and a threatening message should be sent to your contact list if you don't repay at the end of 7 days. Number 6. Palmcash. Palmcash is a faceless loan app with no physical address. Worse still, they don't have a customer service personnel you can speak to. So technically, it is as even if you are dealing with a ghost loan app, making it one of the worst loan apps in Nigeria. Number 7. Sokalone. Sokalone claims to give up to 300,000 naira within a repayment period of Google-approved duration of 91 to 360 days. But this has been proved to be all lies. They are also known for sending threatening messages to your contact list, making them one of the fake loan apps in Nigeria. Number 8. Cash Wallet. Cash Wallet is one of Nigeria's leading fake loan apps, known for deducting a down payment from your debit card. So it is not a loan app to do business with at all. Cash Wallet would send your contacts defamatory messages even before the date of the loan tenure. It does this by sending these messages to your contacts with your picture via WhatsApp, SMS, and on Facebook. Run for your dear life anytime you are convinced to take a loan with them. Number 9. Credit. Credit is another fake loan app that got banned by Google Play Store but still found its way back to the platform. It is characterized by high interest rates and exposing customers' private data. Credit got removed again by Google Play after finding its way back in, and now it offers its apps download via an APK file downloadable via its official website. Number 10. EaseCash. EaseCash is a new fake loan app, replacing the blacklisted notorious digital lending app EasyMoney. It is fully hosted on the Google Play Store, so please beware of it. If you see their adverts anywhere on the internet asking you to take a loan from them, kindly refuse and use other options from trusted loan apps in Nigeria.